Hey, thanks for stopping by. Noisy here. People ask me, Noisy, what do you actually do? I'm going to show you right here. Sound, noise, I make noise. I took some footage out of a public domain film, did some Foley, laid in some sound effects, recorded some ADR, automated dialogue replacement, voices, threw on some music, mixed it all up for you. Check it out. Tell me what you think. There's a link down below if you want to see the actual film from where this footage came from. 1962, The Brain That Wouldn't Die. Check it out.
I was beginning to think you've forgotten about me.
Forgotten you? Why, Doris, you've become very important to me. Very important. How's your drink?
It's getting awfully warm in here. I feel kind of funny.
Watch your step, Doris.
Bill, you put something in my drink, didn't you? Bill.
Very serious.